Hello everybody, welcome to the show. This is Andre J. McClendon coming at you guys with the weekly news wrap up where I go over key points in the market and what we're going to be doing for the rest of the week. So let's jump into it. Alright, so real quick, if you look at some of the indices, they're barely down for the week. ATS, some of the indices are barely down a little bit. For the S&P 500, for the VIX is up. When it comes to commodities, oil's flat. Gold a little bit down, silver a little bit down, copper up, but those aren't too bad. This is really minor. But crypto is moving a little bit right here. XRP, now that's the one I will be making a separate video about, so please stay tuned for that video to come up. So we'll jump into the S&P 500. Now we're on the monthly, and this closeout of this big move up is at this high resistance level. Let's see if it breaks on through. I think it will break on through and just keep on trending up until it stops, because the trend is your friend. Don't fight the trend. I may think the market is overvalued in bubble territory, but right now the trend is up. Now same thing for the Dow. The Dow is up, and at the support line, at the resistance line right now, it can hold it. I think it's gonna go back up. Same thing for the other major indices. They're gonna just fight this little bubble, especially with QE in play. Now, I made multiple videos about this, and especially on the sessions. Here's oil on the daily. I think oil is going to be heading way higher, especially with this pull up right here. And if it holds this line, I think in the next few days it might end up being at the 56 level or higher. But we shall see where oil goes. Stay in tune for oil. We will be going to some oil news. Now, gold on the daily has been down, especially from its recent high of the 1560s area, and now we're heading down to the support. I think we're going to be hold the support, head down lower, but not just temporarily. And that's going to be the same thing for the silver. Silver, you know, we hit that high at 19, almost $20. And now we're at the 17, building up some support. Now it may be a little bit different. Maybe it's going to hold here other than gold, but if gold goes down, maybe this will go down a little bit, but it's building up some support last few days. Now XRP had that really good move in the last few days, from all the way down here from the 23 all the way up. So please check out XRP. I will be making a separate video about this. So let's hop into the news. Now some big news that I am definitely going to read is Goldman Sachs banker arrested for insider trading. That's going to be a really good read, so please check it out and see, and leave a comment below to tell me what you guys think about it. Now, hedge fund CIO about commodity prices are 23% below, and this is something interesting I'm going to read into about this. I want to hear more about commodities, because I love commodities, and especially getting into the precious metals and into the energy sector. And if you didn't know, QE is back in effect even more, so please check out this article about here's the real reason the Fed had to restart QE. Now if you don't know what quantitative easing is, please just drop a comment and I'll answer it below. Now we're on the we're on Forex Factory, going over the news. And let's see, so for us who trade CAD, guessing core retail sales on Tuesday, BOC Business Outlook survey on Tuesday. Now here's a big one for us oil traders. We got crude oil inventory, so Wednesday trading session, please look forward for this. All right, we have euro for the wins for all Thursday. A lot of euro and dollar, but mainly euro. So for the euro dollar trade, so please let's look into that. And those are the big stuff on Thursday, nothing on Friday, and some daylight saving shifts times. Now let's go to crude oil. So we're going to oil price. Now remember, if you're looking for oil news, come to oilprice.com. It's one of the best out there. I love this website, really good information. But alright guys, here's my home website, AndreJMcClendon.com. Now if you're looking to trade or invest, we got some great stuff out there. We're adding videos almost daily now. All you gotta do is you can make a free account and get started, and you can go to my YouTube channel from here and check out some of the videos that are already on here. Or if you're looking for precious metals information, we have that right here. Got a lot of links, a lot of information. So please guys, check out the website, check out the information, And if you want to get on our training sessions, either contact me on Facebook or on YouTube. But thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you later.